Hi there. So how often has your Macintosh charger failed you because the end has frayed? And it's been a good charger, but hey, these are bucks, I think, to replace them. So, anyway, so here I bought a box of heat shrink off of Amazon for about $12. This stuff is called heat shrink. It's tubing. I found one piece that fits. So what this does is when you apply heat to stuff, it will shrink about 2/3 of its size, as so advertised by this little company here called Wi-Fi. So, anywho, what I'm going to do is put this on this wire. First, I don't like this little gash here. I don't want to really take wire cutters and cut that off. So I found that I can pull the cable. So okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to apply heat to this thing. So here I got the stove ready. I got a blue flame. That's heat, right? So I'll put the camera here and we'll go through this. If I can get the camera to stay in a good place, we'll give it a shot. This is very unscripted, so bear with me. Okay, there's the camera. There's the blue flame. Ouch! And I dropped that on the floor. Here's the charger. So I want to pull this down. Do you see how I'm pulling it down like that? I'm pulling it down as hard as I can to get that. And let me turn the light on here. So I'm pulling this down as hard as I can without getting burned to get that slit done. Here's the heat shrink. I'm putting the heat shrink on, as you can see. And there goes the camera. I'm going to leave a little bit of the heat shrink. I'm leaving a little bit of it on the back here. Not too close to the tip because you don't want this to jam when you're putting the Mac. So here we go. Just see how it's on like that. Going to put it on the blue flame here and see how it goes. And it is not shrinking yet. And you don't want to heat it up too much because you'll burn your wire. You'll burn the Mac wire apart. Okay, yes, it's shrinking. Pretty good. By 2/3, I don't know. I'll turn the light back on here. And you can watch it shrink. Of course, now I can't see the flame, but it is shrinking. Again, this is called heat shrink tubing. You don't want to burn apart the Mac wire with the flame. Yeah, it's shrinking pretty darn good here. And this supposedly has glue in it too. Oh wow, this is great. Okay, I singed the wire a little bit, but so what? Alright, so I'm done, I think, with this repair. Check it out. So did a heat shrink on that. Yeah, it got singed a little bit, but that's going to be a lot stronger. So that'll provide some strain relief to the wire. Let it cool off and see how it feels. It's still really hot. It's still really hot. It's still hot and floppy, so this supposedly has glue in it too. This is probably all I'm gonna do, okay? I don't think I'm gonna reheat it. I think this is pretty darn good. I'll try it out and see if it makes the connection last. All right, well, thanks for watching again. This was bought for $12. This was bought on Amazon. This Wirefly heat shrink. And again, what I did was I pulled out a piece of heat shrink, stuck it on here, and I stuck it on here like this, right? and put it over down to here, and I put it over a flame on the stove like this. We put it in the flame like this until it shrunk. And that's how this worked. So, hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.